Okay, so I don't know if you guys knew this, but the Nintendo Switch 2 Pro Controller, as well as Joy-Cons, if the thumbsticks aren't working for you, you might want to try updating them. Yeah, in order to update your Pro Controller for the Nintendo Switch 2, you go to System, Settings, and then scroll down to Controller, then go to update your Nintendo Switch 2 controller and Nintendo Switch 2 Joy-Cons. Now, I'm not entirely sure if you needed to do this on the Nintendo Switch 1 at all, but if they act up for you there, you can try it on the Switch 1. But I know for sure this is what you need to do on the Switch 2. Now, with that said, I'm not sure if you need to connect the USB Type-C cable to the controller in order to update it for the Nintendo Switch 2. But I had mine connected just to be safe. So I'd recommend the same, honestly. But yeah, hopefully this has helped you in some way, shape, or form. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.